weight loss plans and creating one for yourself. Losing weight or sticking to a diet during the holidays can be a daunting task. Although it may be tempting to devour every tasty treat you see, there are some things you can do to help minimize those cravings to overindulge on all the no-nos. The following video offers tips you can try to avoid the unavoidable around the holidays. 6 smaller meals spaced throughout the day are better for weight loss than 3 big meals per day. This will prevent the hungries from creeping up on you, and also make it easier to enjoy smaller portions at mealtimes. It will help you consume less calories daily so you're able to reach your weight loss goal. Be mindful of what you find delicious. Many people will eat unhealthy food purely out of habit. Enjoy each and every bite. If a restaurant serves you food that is not prepared in the way you like it, order something else. There is no rule that you must eat something merely because you bought it. Your health takes precedence over money every time. You'll lose weight when you really think about what you eat for meal. This is your personal decision. Keeping active is a very good way to lose weight. Do not sit still for more than 15 minutes at a time. Get up and move around, or stretch every 15 minutes if you are sitting down for an extended period of time. When you keep yourself active throughout the day, you burn more calories. Staying active and focusing more on exercise means you can lose weight and still eat well. When you begin your diet, establish realistic goals. If you set your goals too high, you will lose motivation and become discouraged over time. You won't succeed if you determine that you need to lose 20 pounds in a month's time. Rather than setting unrealistic goals, set smaller attainable goals each week. Avoid focusing on your big end goal. Focus instead on losing smaller amounts of weight each week. As you can now see, it isn't always easy to stick to a diet, but it can be done. Using this advice you are sure to find success. Click the link below in the description for more details.